like magic, be like fire.
Survival gadgets for men are essential for tackling any outdoor challenge. From multi-tools to tactical gear, these gadgets are designed to keep you safe and prepared in the wild. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency, having the right gear can make all the difference. All the mentioned product links are in the description.
Get comfortable, because here we go.
Number 20. VIPERADE VAK6. A rugged, all-in-one survival tool designed for outdoor adventures. It combines a folding knife, bright LED flashlight, pulse ignition for fire starting, and a hand crank generator for recharging. The knife is made of durable stainless steel, while the LED flashlight provides steady light. The hand crank generates power for the flashlight or ignition without the need for batteries. It includes a belt sheath for easy carrying, making it a reliable companion for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. Compact and powerful, it's built to keep you prepared when you need it most. Number 19. Jackfish Survival Credit Card. A slim, wallet-sized multi-tool designed for emergencies. It fits discreetly alongside your regular cards. Made from durable aluminum or titanium, it includes essential tools like a small knife, compass, fire starter, whistle, micro screwdrivers, and a telescopic pen. The card holder is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and TSA-friendly, making it ideal for camping, travel, or survival kits. With its practical design, it provides everything you need for unexpected situations while remaining compact enough to carry every day without adding bulk. Number 18. Radna. Every year in the US, countless nature enthusiasts go hiking and sometimes find themselves lost. Unfortunately, not all of these stories have a happy ending. When you add the number of lost children and pets across the country, it becomes clear why this rescue device was created and who it's designed for. It combines a LEOSAR or GeoSAR satellite beacon with a GPS tracker and is powered by a built-in 3000 mAh battery as well as a solar panel. The device can be conveniently carried on a special belt, which includes useful additions like paracord and a fire starter kit. There's also a smaller version for pets that attaches to their collar. Number 17. KODIAK Canvas Swag Tent. A rugged one-person tent designed for outdoor adventurers. It combines a durable canvas shelter with a comfortable sleep system. Made from waterproof, breathable cotton duck canvas, it keeps you dry and well-ventilated. The tent features a foam mattress for comfort, aluminum poles for sturdy support, and mesh screens for stargazing or ventilation. Easy to set up, it rolls up into a compact, portable package with straps for carrying. Ideal for solo camping, hiking, or off-grid trips, it provides reliable protection and comfort in various outdoor conditions. Number 16. Survivor Filter Pro Example. A portable electric water filter designed for outdoor adventures and emergencies. It uses a 3-stage filtration system to purify water. The filter removes 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and parasites, while also reducing heavy metals and chemicals. It works at a high flow rate, filtering 500 milliliter per minute, and can be powered by AA batteries, a USB power bank, or a wall adapter. Lightweight and compact, it fits in a backpack and provides safe drinking water in just minutes. Ideal for camping, hiking, or survival situations, it's a reliable tool for accessing clean water on the go. Number 15. Freelander Camping Axe. A 15-inch tactical tomahawk designed for outdoor activities. It features a sharp axe blade for chopping and a hammerhead for driving stakes or breaking ice. The durable fiberglass handle withstands heavy use, and a built-in bottle opener adds convenience. The ergonomic grip ensures control, while the included sheath and belt clip make it easy to carry. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for camping, hiking, survival, or bushcraft, offering multiple functions in one tool to tackle a variety of outdoor tasks with ease. Number 14. AdventureMate AM-V2 Multitool. A versatile 5-in-1 camping tool. It combines an axe, saw, shovel, hammer, and hook into one compact system. The tool heads easily attach to a durable composite handle and lock securely, providing the flexibility to handle a variety of outdoor tasks. Made from high-quality steel and advanced materials, it's tough and long-lasting. The tool fits neatly into a nylon holster for easy carry, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or emergencies. Lightweight and practical, it replaces several tools, ensuring you're ready for any outdoor challenge. Number 13. Tactical Survival Walking Stick. A multifunctional hiking tool designed for outdoor adventures, it combines a sturdy walking stick with several survival features. Made from durable materials, like aircraft-grade aluminum, it includes a compass, fire starter, whistle, and a sharp mini-knife. The adjustable height ensures comfort, and the rubber tip provides traction on various terrains. It also functions as a self-defense tool, with a carbide tip for ice and rock gripping and an LED light for night use. Lightweight, waterproof, and portable, it offers support and readiness for emergencies, making it an essential companion for hikers, campers, and survivalists. Number 12. Ougist Fire Extinguisher. A durable, versatile fire extinguisher suitable for A, B, C, and K-type fires. It's effective on wood, paper, liquids, and cooking oil fires. Designed to operate in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it's reliable in all weather conditions. Easy to use, simply remove the safety pin, aim, and press the button. The water-based formula is clean, safe, and leaves no harmful residue. Compact and portable, it's ideal for cars, kitchens, boats, and garages. The included mount allows for convenient storage, ensuring quick access in case of an emergency. Number 11. Thyrm CellVault. A compact, durable storage case designed to hold essential gear. It stores various battery sizes like CR123, AAA, and AA, along with small survival items such as matches, iodine tablets, and first aid supplies. The case features a waterproof and dustproof seal, ensuring protection from the elements. Its slim design attaches easily to moly webbing or straps, offering quick access to your gear. Built in the USA, it's designed for reliability and convenience, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Number 10. BATON Q2 Multitool. A compact and versatile multi-tool, it combines a 70-lumen LED flashlight, pocket knife, slotted screwdriver, and bottle opener in one sleek design. The lightweight anodized aluminum body is water-resistant and fits easily in your pocket, making it perfect for everyday carry in bags, purses, or backpacks. Weighing just 3 ounces, it's designed for urban use and outdoor emergencies. With a minimalistic look and practical functionality, it's a reliable tool for various tasks, and the manufacturer offers repair or replacement for well-maintained tools. Number 9. Stakeout. Graphite. A compact and versatile 11-in-1 multi-tool. It combines a 2.2-inch blade, saw, scissors, tweezers, bottle opener, and more in a lightweight, pocket-sized design. Made from durable stainless steel and housed in a graphite gray frame, it ensures safety and longevity. The multi-tool includes handy features like a carabiner, tent stake puller, and ferro rod striker, making it perfect for camping or outdoor adventures. With a sleek, minimalist design, it doubles as a tactical pen with a reinforced tip for emergencies and smooth-writing ink for everyday tasks. Practical, durable, and ideal for EDC or survival use. Number 8. Surviveware 72H Survival Backpack. A durable, well-organized 72-hour survival backpack designed to carry essential gear for emergencies. It includes multiple compartments for food, water, first aid supplies, tools, and other survival necessities. Built with strong, water-resistant materials, it ensures your gear stays protected in harsh conditions. The backpack is lightweight, comfortable to wear, and features adjustable straps for a secure fit. Ideal for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness, it provides peace of mind knowing you're ready for unexpected situations with everything you need for 72 hours of survival. Number 7. Kaito Voyager Proca 600. A versatile emergency radio. It offers AM, FM, shortwave, longwave, and NOAA weather bands, providing essential information during power outages or outdoor activities. The radio features multiple power sources, including a hand crank, solar panel, and USB charging. It also includes a bright LED flashlight, a reading lamp, and a USB port to charge devices. Built with a durable, water-resistant body, it's ideal for camping, survival kits, and emergencies. Compact and easy to carry, it keeps you informed, powered, and prepared for any situation, ensuring reliability in challenging environments. Number 6. BioLite CampStove 2+. A portable, eco-friendly stove that burns renewable fuels like twigs and pellets. It cooks meals while generating electricity. The stove uses thermoelectric technology to convert heat into power, storing it in a 3,200 mAh battery or charging devices directly via USB. It features an internal fan with adjustable speeds for efficient, smokeless burning. Compact and lightweight, it includes a pot stand, LED dashboard, and comes with accessories for setup. Ideal for off-grid camping or emergencies, it provides a sustainable solution for cooking and charging devices without the need for gas canisters. Number 5. SodaRide Car Window Breaker, a compact dual-purpose car escape tool that combines a window breaker and seatbelt cutter. Equipped with a tungsten steel tip, it quickly shatters tempered glass and withstands extreme conditions, including high temperatures and impacts. It features a flashlight with strobe and full light modes, lasting up to 6 hours. Ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, it's portable and can be carried as a keychain or stored in your car for easy access in emergencies. It's reliable, easy to use, and designed for safety, making it an essential tool for any vehicle emergency kit. Number 4. Hike and Strike, a versatile hiking staff that combines personal defense and outdoor functionality. It features a 950,000-volt stun gun with sharp spike electrodes to deter threats. The staff adjusts from 29 to 56 inches and includes a bright LED flashlight for night use. Made from durable 7075 aluminum, it has a secure, non-slip grip and a reflective band for visibility. Weighing just 18 ounces, it's easy to carry and provides reliable support on the trail. This multifunctional tool offers safety and illumination, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or everyday protection. Number 3. Boundless Voyage, a lightweight, durable grill designed for outdoor cooking, made from rust-proof titanium. It features foldable legs for easy setup over a campfire or stove and provides a stable surface for grilling, boiling water, or holding cookware. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, it's portable and compact, folding flat for easy storage. Ideal for camping, hiking, or outdoor barbecues, it can support up to 50 pounds and ensures mess-free, smokeless cooking. A convenient, reliable option for adventurers who want to enjoy grilled meals in the wilderness. Number 2. RecPak Instant Meals. Ultralight, ready-to-eat meals are designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Packed with 700 calories and 42 grams of protein per 187-gram pouch, they provide the perfect balance of carbs, fats, and proteins. Just add water, shake, and enjoy a nutrient-dense meal in seconds. The resealable pouch is compact, durable, and doubles as a collapsible water bottle. With a shelf life of 18 months, it's ideal for long hikes or emergency kits. No cooking required, making it convenient for fast, mess-free energy during intense activities like backpacking or camping. Number 1. OUKITEL Rugged Smartphone. A rugged smartphone built for durability, featuring a massive 33,000 mAh battery for long-lasting power. It includes a built-in projector and a 1200 lumen camping light, perfect for outdoor adventures. With 48 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, it supports smooth performance and ample space for all your apps and media. The 6.8-inch FHD Plus screen offers a 120 Hz refresh rate for a seamless display. Equipped with a 200-megapixel camera, it delivers stunning photos. Unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile, this phone is perfect for extreme conditions. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.